Jai Hind sir, myself Cadet Harshit Rajaram Fegde from first year SD. Today I am very glad that I have completed 6 months of training in my NCC. So today I'd like to divide my thoughts into three parts. That first would be my experience with One Maharashtra Artillery Battery NCC, Rajaram College, Kolhapur. Second would be the changes which the NCC brought in my life, and third would be broadly the feedback regarding the variety of activities which you undergo in a unit. So, talking firstly about the experience with One Maharashtra RT battery, from before the enrollment only, I came to know that the unit which I am aspiring, the NCC unit which I am aspiring to join, is very super unit. It's a very prestigious unit, as it is one of the most best units in the entire Kolhapur group headquarters. Then later on, I went for the enrollment. I can definitely make out that it is, definitely the thing which I heard is very, very true. That because from the day of enrollment for the, I believe so, 30 of the vacancies, 180 plus candidates were, came for the enrollment. So competition was really tough. Then after joining, I could say that it really makes an edge. It was quite difficult for all the cadets to make the physical aspects and physical criterias of the One Maharashtra Artillery Battery is really high, and to be a part of it is really, really very difficult. You have to be physically and mentally consistently work upon it. Then only you can stay in the criterias of the One Maharashtra Artillery Battery. It's one of the most finest units I have ever seen. The second would be the biggest changes which NCC has brought in last 6 months life, right? A variety of changes I have undergone because of the NCC only, and very much thankful for it towards the NCC. I would like to list the best three of them, the most three aspects which I have developed myself because of the NCC training. First is that the spirit of we call it team spirit, the spirit of unity, we call it the team spirit. I'd like to say that it is something like that which cannot be taught in that lectures and okay fine, we all are equal, all this kind of thing, but it is something which is has to be taught on the ground only. It could be taught by on the ground only. When you rely on your buddies, when you rely on your fellow mates, for the activities, especially the trainings and all, so and the physical endurance tests. So this is the thing when gets connected with your friends, with connected your fellow mates, your buddies. So the team spirit is the biggest thing which I learned. The comrades thing, the camaraderie, which is one of the most important specific feature of the armed forces. So that was the biggest change I have undergone. I have developed it a lot, and which will definitely help me in the future. The second was that the discipline thing. Discipline is something which cannot be just learned from any of the coaching academy or seeing some videos on it. It has to be sincerely. It is like by birth, and NCC has polished it to a large extent, from wearing the uniforms, to the chain of commands, to the way we speak, the way we walk, and all kind of thing. It gradually improved a lot, and it's due to which I am feeling very much confident now with myself. And third is the management in all aspects, whether you do time management, management your studies, how to manage all the activities and all relevant stuff in order to pursue the NCC as well as your academics. So that's the biggest thing, and I'm quite lucky that not every student in his graduation days get exposure of such kind of things. So these are the three biggest changes which I have undergone, and I'm very much thankful towards the NCC for bringing these changes in my life. Third would be the NCC One Maharashtra Artillery Battery runs a variety of programs for development of us and my colleagues, my fellow mates, in order to develop the officers like quality in them, which will help in the future SSBs to become the officer in the army. So my feedback regarding is it's marvelous, it's tremendous. This is something that we cannot imagine that how it cost if we take a private coaching and then learn it, and then we'll understand like these. But when we learn it very much naturally, when all your fellow mates, all your buddies, and all resources available, so it's very, very tremendous. The extent of the qualities and the variety of tasks we undergo is something like even the coaching academies cannot do, and that for a very long period. And I salute to our respected company commander One Maharashtra RT Battery, Lieutenant Dr. Vishnu Brite sir. He personally gives a lot of time and efforts and energy towards us, and I'm very much glad to. I hold a very high regard for him. So that was the thing, and I always have a dream to learn something from a commissioned officer. So One Maharashtra RT Battery gave me that opportunity also, that a commissioned officer a commissioned officer from the OTA. He gives us a personal teaching and he trains him. So I'm very lucky in that matter. So that's all. This is my 6-month journey from the NCC, and I hope, and at home I definitely sure that it will be much more better in upcoming days. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, sir.